It's now day 68 and I'm in Quebec and on my way to Montreal. Along the way I hit a large bump and one of my spokes pulled through my wheel. Thankfully I had a bracket and I was able to use a piece of it to fix the bike. Soon I arrived in Montreal and I was surprised by the beautiful architecture and all the bikes everywhere. I stayed with my friend Corinne and had a great time exploring the city. I had the most delicious bagels and the best poutine I've ever had. It was amazing. I also met up with my friends Emma and Dana and we had a great time catching up. The next day, me and Emma biked to La Ronde and had a wonderful time at the amusement park. Afterwards, I checked out Old Montreal and met a guy who took me and showed me where people go surfing on the St. Lawrence River. It was so cool. He also showed me the crazy cubic apartments built in Expo 67. I left Montreal and headed towards Quebec City next. That night I accidentally put my tent on a nest of biting ants. It was not a fun morning. Once I arrived in Quebec City, I went and saw the fantastic Montmorency Falls. I went to Old Quebec City and saw this fantastic church built in the 1600s. It was amazing. Old Quebec City is also encompassed by a wall, which is pretty cool. I stayed with a nice lady that I met and then headed off on the ferry the next day to continue through Quebec. This crazy storm rolled in out of nowhere. I took refuge in the small shelter and then continued on. The day before I left Quebec, I found this massive grove of wild blueberries. It was incredible. The geology was fantastic too. Just look at this amazing faulted outcrop. Just left beautiful Quebec and now we're entering New Brunswick, day 76. As I got to Fredericton, I visited my friend Nicola, who was training in the military, and also visited some of the kids that I used to babysit a long time ago. It was so great to see them again.